Hey folks, ET here coming at you with a pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Think we have PPI today, so another day we could see some violent candles before the market even opens. So yesterday we were pretty bullish all day. Interesting to see that the calls never sold off no matter what price did, so maybe we get to see some more upside today. Let's move on down to our decks, and we did have two green decks in a row, so keep an eye on that. Going into our daily customer sentiment, waned just slightly yesterday from extremely bullish to only somewhat extremely bullish. So interesting look there. We did get a nice push yesterday on that CPI print. Our whale targets have changed a little bit again. They kind of keep going back and forth. Right now we're at 550 to 559. Not a very large range. We're trading just below that 559 and the low 558s in the pre-market session. Jumping into our dark pools, 585 remains, so keep an eye there for any huge upside moves. When we start to get a nice trend change, 585.55 will be a nice spot to target. Mark the rest on your charts or use the bot like I do. And one sig print at 564 to keep an eye on, a little bit away from price. Obviously, remember, don't worry about bull bear. Just mark them as important points of price contention. Moving on to our gamma, we're at 558, right around this spot here. In the pre-market session, so no big deal. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit for you so you can get a better idea. So we're right around here, about 558. Ag says if we can't pass 560, which was a little bit tough yesterday, we have room down to 554 and then 542. If we can pass 560 right here, we do have room up to 565. To get past this, we're going to need to gamma ramp past all these huge positive levels, or we're going to need to do it in one big old candle off of a PPI print that the market likes. So plain and simple, it'll be tough to get past this, but we can do it, honestly, all in one stinking candle if the market reacts positively to PPI. If not, then we're going down here again. So keep an eye there on the ag. Let's go ahead and jump into today's expiry, 313. Let's see if the zoom holds for us so you guys can continue to get a better look. There we go. Plain and simple. So very interesting. 565 and 571 are some goalposts here. So let's say we have a positive reaction. We rip up over 565. We could ping pong here all day. If we can't break that, then obviously our downside looks for 560, 558, which is what we're resting on now. Gamma is thin down here once again, which means there's not a whole lot keeping it from going to the gulag if that's where they want to send the market. And our biggest pull right now is 557. So really not a whole lot of clarity for today, a lot of mixed signals, but that sometimes happens when we're looking at big data days. So as it sits, really we just need to hold 552 and up to get a nice upside move, and then be really careful around 565 if we're not already there on a PPI reaction. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.